First off, I have zero background in sewing using sewing machine. Let's take a closer look at the FHSM-318 Sewing Machine. I bought it from Lazada Global. I made sure it's from a preferred shop, got it perfectly packed and sealed with all the bubble wrap, styro, and box. Everything in the box is written in Chinese, just don't get overwhelmed. It's just basically telling you what's inside the box. You can also just Google FHSM-318 if you want the specs of this machine in English. There are a lot of them in English on the internet. So here's how it looks like. Again, everything in Chinese. What's good about this product is everything has been set up already. It's ready for use and trial. They even put a cute pink cloth which you can use to try. Just don't pull it, okay? It was there for a reason. So let me help you understand some of it. So you have a cute space here for your thread. At the back, there are two spaces for plug. One is for the power adapter and one is for the foot pedal. You also have a small button for the light. So now let me help you with some switches. The first button is for the speed of stitching. This one means fast and the other one means slow. For the next button, the first one is for starting and the next means to close or to turn off. Some additional features that you might want to know. So quickly, let me show you how to try it. What's good about this machine is it has numbers on it to guide you as to how you should set up everything. So it's very easy to navigate. This sewing machine also works with AA batteries. So there, I hope you learned something, and I'm sure along the way you will be learning some more based from your own experience. So if you have some questions, feel free, or some comments, you just feel free to put them below. Alright, see ya guys.